race car. 100% race car. At least I think so. It feels like it. Look at Robert. What's up, Don? Thank you. Oh, 350Z in the distance. All right, pulling in, you guys. This curb, it gets me every time. Oh, we're good, no scrapage. Oh, we got some clean stuff over here today, boys. Oh, we got the red squad. What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you tuning in. We're back here at the shop, Auto Body and Paint, in the 350Z, and we're gonna get a lot of work done today. I only have an hour to do it in. Efren's actually got an appointment at 6 o'clock, so let me see what time it is right now. It's 4:49 right now, so they're just gonna finish cleaning up inside, and then we're gonna get to work. I don't know what we're doing today. We're either putting the front bumper on, or we're gonna be polishing the rear of the car. Basically the rear bumper and the hatch need to get done, so we might end up just doing one of those. I'm not actually sure what we're going to be doing today. If we do put the front bumper on, that'll be pretty crazy. Honestly, I haven't seen this car without the front bumper in, seriously, I think it's been like 3 months now, which is so cool. Oh shit. 350Z, bro. 350Z gang. I honestly got so used to seeing it without a front bumper on it that I actually kind of like it, and I think I'm like used to it now, and I think it's pretty cool. But we're definitely not going to be running no front bumper any much longer, because once this car is complete, it's going to look so amazing. Really, I think a showstopper, and honestly, I couldn't have done it without your guys' help in the comments and leaving all the amazing love and feedback in the comment section, and just, you know, pushing me to get this done, because it's turned out so great. Anyways, we're going to get to work here shortly, but I got to show you guys, we got a Mustang right here and a brand new Corvette C8. I got to show you guys these cars. We got like the red squad over here right now. Check it out. I'm gonna get out and show you guys. Anyways, once again, thank you guys for tuning in. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already. We just hit 3,200 subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Let's do it. Let's check out these cars over here. All right, guys, so before I show you these cars right here, we got a black 350Z in the corner over there. This is so good. I honestly think the black 350Z looks, I mean, it's one of the best paint colors. Personally, I love the red, but you know, black was gonna be my second choice. Either that or the blue. I mean, the blue looks really good too, but the black looks great. We got the red 350Z here in Viper red, a little bit modified Viper red, kind of like a secret, which is pretty cool, but definitely a one-off color. And we have a Fox body, I think, a Mustang 5.0 over here, which is pretty cool. Don't quote me on this. I'm not very, you know, rehearsed in my Mustangs or really American cars in general, but I think it's a Mustang Fox body. Correct me if I'm wrong down below. I think it's a Fox body Mustang. I think. Oh shoot, we have another silver 350Z over there, you guys. That is so awesome. 3 350Zs in this corner. That's where it's at. Then we got a C8 right here. I mean, these things are just so insane. I mean, I think Corvette knocked it out of the park. Seriously. It looks like an exotic. I mean, it's not an exotic, but you know. Cold start. Sounds good, man. Man, it's a red car day. You guys, this Challenger pulled up? Dang, man. Clean. All right, you guys, pulled it in. Jeez, this thing is so red. We're actually gonna buff and polish a little bit of the back here. This needs to be done, the wing and the rear bumper. But other than that, pretty much everything else is done, which is awesome.
Next day.
All right, you guys, it is day 2. We're gonna pull the 350Z. Oh, we're gonna pull the 350Z in right now. We're gonna be putting the front bumper on, which is so cool. Let me jump in here real quick. Jeez, that thing is so cool. I noticed the C8 is gone today. Got that all fixed and good to go. I'm so stoked. Oh man, I'm so stoked. We do have one thing to talk about though. I'm kind of interested in what your guys' opinion is. I think right now is the first time we're gonna get to see the front bumper painted. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. No way. Here it is, you guys. Oh my gosh. front lip. Alright guys, so we jumped in Efren's car. We're actually headed to Temecula Valley Paint, and we're gonna get some double-sided sticky tape so we can stick the front lip to the front bumper. And then also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but the front lip, we painted it red. We're gonna see how it looks. We could always wrap it black. I just wanted to see how it looked, you know, because the front lip was black the entire time we had it before. And I thought it would look a little different if we, you know, we painted it red just to see, you know. We could always wrap it black or even paint it black if we decide that, you know, it's not very much paint and it wouldn't take too much time anyways. The body work has all been done, so all the scratches on the front lip have been, you know, taken care of and stuff. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys think, if you think it's gonna look good or not. But I think it's gonna look pretty good. We'll have to see. I was looking at a car online and I was kind of iffy about it with a red front lip, but you know, this red is so bright that it might look amazing. So we're just gonna see how it looks and then we'll decide from there. Oh, this thing goes. Temecula Valley Paint. Boom. Half-inch double-sided sticky tape for the front lip of the 350Z. I mean, I think half-inch is gonna work. We'll find out. Half-inch, okay? Sweet. All right, you guys, I'm getting it done. Check it, we got a silver 350Z. Honestly, I mean, this car looks good in every single color. I mean, these wheels are pretty awesome too. STR racing wheels, pretty nice. 5-spoke pattern. I like this 5-spoke pattern, but personally, I prefer wheels that cover a little bit more of, you know, the inside of the wheel well and stuff like that. Or I mean, the inside of the rim, I guess I should say. Geez, I mean, those are probably like 19s. Maybe those are probably 19s. Oh man, the red though. Jeez, you guys. Whew. We put the front lip on the front bumper, and the red on the red, I'm not gonna lie, looks pretty good. I don't know how it would look with the black. Maybe I can like Photoshop it later or something just to get a picture, but it looks pretty freaking good right now. So maybe we can put like a nice like thin front splitter on there and leave the red for a while. Like I said, we could always wrap it. So it's kind of cool to just see what it would look like red, because I don't know if I ever would have, you know, thought to do that. So that's pretty awesome. We're gonna check it out. It's almost done and it's coming along. It looks really cool. Dang. There it is. The eyelids are not on 100% yet, but I just can't even believe my eyes right now. Like the front bumper looks so crazy. So as you guys can tell, we painted the front lip red, and honestly, I think it looks really good. I was kind of worried at first. I really wanted a black front lip, but now that I look at this, I think it looks really good. I can't stop staring at this car. It's so perfect, you guys. The shop killed this. Like I said, the eyelids are not on yet, but we just put them on to see what it would look like. Pretty much got most of the car buffed out and done. We do have to buff the wing, but I mean, you guys, this is a done car. Wow, the red front lip is something else. I was not expecting it to look that good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm speechless right now. I mean, it is so bright out here. I can barely look this way without squinting terribly, but the shop has killed this paint job. If you guys need any paint work done at all, the shop Auto Body and Paint is the place to go. Efren knows exactly what he's doing and you will not be disappointed. I mean, I seriously cannot believe how amazing it turned out. And I mean, we have so many pictures and awesome videos and cinematics we get to make in the future now that it's done. Jeez, I can't believe it. hard work does pay off, you guys. Hard work pays off. So today we would normally be putting these eyelids on because I think the eyelids literally make the look of the car. But as you can tell, we did need to spray a little bit more base coat on these. So we're actually gonna repaint them. It should take literally 20 minutes to scuff these up and respray them again. So we want everything to look perfect and we don't want any darkness coming through or anything. So we're gonna rock just the OEM look today, you guys. Just, you know, the front bumper, regular headlights. I mean, it's not too OEM, it's pretty aftermarket looking, but you know what I mean, you know what I mean. All right, guys, so it's a little bit later in the day. Pretty much everyone here in the alleyway is gone, but we got the Z over here in the sun still. I just wanted to do one last walk around just to show you guys how insane this thing looks. It does not have the eyelids in right now, which I think changed the look entirely, but I mean, wow, like I can't believe it. Official reveal video is going to be coming out where we have an amazing cinematic and I'm going to fly the drone and everything, and it's going to be so cool. We got a bunch of car shows coming up and stuff like that, and I actually spent a whole bunch of money on some interior stuff that you guys are going to be hopefully psyched for. I'm pretty psyched for it, so that should be coming in the mail any day now, which is insane. So many mods and ideas for the 350Z, you guys. If you enjoyed the video, drop a thumbs up, hit the comment section if you have any comments or questions, and then if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do so. We just hit 3,200 subscribers and I appreciate every single one of you guys. 4K is around the corner. I know we can do it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.